You're not lazy, but you're emotionally exhausted. No matter how much you rest, you still feel tired. You're starting to resent the job that you once loved. And now there's a lack of purpose whenever you walk into work every day. You even dread waking up. This is what burnout looks like. And worse, you are stuck making 3 major mistakes that are costing you your time, your health, and your well-being. In this video, I'll show you what they are and how to finally break free and create the freedom-based career you deserve as an experienced nurse leader. I've used the strategies I'm sharing with you today to go from burnt out, frustrated, stressed nurse manager to transitioning into independent nurse consulting. And now I help other nurse leaders just like you do the same. If you haven't done so yet, hit that subscribe button. First mistake, thinking burnout is just a sign to rest. You might be thinking you need a few days off, a vacation, just a little bit of a break. But the real issue isn't just exhaustion, it's misalignment. Burnout is your body and your brain telling you that how you're working is no longer aligned with who you're becoming. It's not that you don't want to serve, you still have some passion left. The solution is not paid time off. You just want to do it on your own terms with more flexibility, more time, more autonomy. It's a new model for working, one where your expertise earns income without draining you. That's where independent nurse consulting comes in. Mistake number 2, staying in burnout for years and letting time pass because you think you need fancy tech, a website, a huge following in order for you to transition into independent nurse consulting. You don't need a big following, a website, a business card in order for you to get going. None of that is required to get started. I remember when I got started, I ignored all the fancy bells and whistles and simply really did the homework to define and refine what problem I was seeking to serve, who I wanted to serve, and how I wanted to serve them. And once I did that homework, I created my proposals, secured interviews and appointments, and I hit the ground running. You don't need to go into business mode, but you do need to go into service mode, offering real solutions to real problems in healthcare and positioning yourself as a partner. Mistake number 3, waiting for confidence before taking the leap. In fact, many nurse leaders that I have interviewed tell me that the number 1 thing that keeps them stuck in their current stressful, frustrating situation is because they have a fear of failure. They are afraid of stepping out of the traditional mode of employment to actually doing something different. If you have been waiting to feel ready before taking action, then I've got bad news for you. You'll be waiting forever. Very soon you'll be retiring or retired and you will regret never having made that leap. To you right now, nurse consulting is a dream that you aspire to. You're thinking, oh my goodness, when am I ever going to have the confidence? I really want to do this thing, but I'm scared and I don't want to go out on my own. And to just create this scenario where years down the line, you're really going to look back and regret. Or maybe you're already regretting. Confidence doesn't come before taking action. It comes with taking action. Embrace the discomfort now in order to make it easy tomorrow. I was speaking with a nurse leader just this week, and she really wanted to take her expertise and use it through independent nurse consultant because she thought to herself, listen, I've got all this expertise. My husband is about to retire. I want the time freedom and autonomy whilst also making a difference and earning from my nursing expertise. And one reason why she was hesitating from taking that leap was because she felt she didn't have the confidence to actually approach healthcare providers and help them solve their problems. She said to me, Lorraine, I'm scared that when I walk into these healthcare facilities, I have to sell myself. And I don't like the aspect of selling myself. I'd rather they come to me. And I remember just challenging her on that and saying, you know what? You're not selling yourself, and do not use this fear to hold you back from taking the next step, because you are coming in to solve a problem. You're offering a solution. You're making a difference. You're not selling yourself. And I know she's not the only one who's been held back by this fear of thinking that I don't want to be a nest consultant because I don't have the confidence to sell myself. A more accurate question is, do I have the confidence to help someone or to solve a problem? Every successful nest consultant you see today started exactly where you are: burnt out, unsure, and scared. The only difference is they moved anyway. They took the action. You don't need to know everything to begin. You just need a simple step-by-step roadmap and support along the way. And that's exactly what I provide inside the Nest Consultant Blueprint. To find out more, book a call with me. The link to my calendar is in the description and comments below, and we'll see if you're a good fit for us to work together inside the Nest Consultant Blueprint so that we can help you take that leap and make your journey into becoming a successful independent nest consultant, so that you can have flexibility in your work schedule, autonomy over who you work with, make an impact and leave a mark inside nesting, and scale your income. Inside the Nest Consultant Blueprint, I walk you through how to define and package your consulting services, just like my client Nicole did. How to land your first clients without a website, fancy tech, or a big following. And how to create a lean business that supports your lifestyle and well-being. So if you're ready to stop surviving and start creating the life and career you want, this is your moment. You don't have to stay burnt out. You don't have to choose between service and self-care. You can build a nest consulting business that gives you both. So book a consultation with me now. Link to my calendar is in the comments and description below. Remember this one thing: subscribe. Hit that subscribe button now, and also give this video a like.